today's video, I'll be covering one of the most popular business formation services out there, ZenBusiness. I'll mostly cover all their features when it comes to forming an LLC and how you can form one with ZenBusiness at a very affordable price. Be sure to watch the entire video to learn everything that you need to know about how ZenBusiness works and how it compares to other business formation services. So first, let's quickly go over all the different features that you have on ZenBusiness compared to other services. Okay, so here I am on ZenBusiness's website, and we'll leave links down below to all these different platforms today. So if we scroll down here, we can see that they have 3 different plans. They have the starter plan, the pro plan, and the premium plan. For the starter plan, this one is going to be $0, so it's completely free, but you are going to have to pay for any state fees. And with this, you're going to be able to file your LLC in 2 to 3 weeks. This is a standard LLC filing. You're going to have a 100% accuracy guarantee. You're also going to have worry-free compliance for the first year. This basically keeps you compliant with all the state required documents. This is super important for avoiding any fines or any penalties that you might incur. And then for everything else that you might need for your LLC, such as an operating agreement or a tax ID, then it's going to cost extra. An operating agreement isn't required in every single state, but for most LLCs, it is highly recommended. And yeah, if you guys want all these other features down here, then you guys are going to have to pay extra. But for most beginners that just want to get their LLC started, then the starter package is perfect. Moving on, they have the pro plan, and this is going to be $199 per year. And with this, you guys are going to have a faster filing time. So this is going to file within 1 to 5 business days. And with this, you guys are going to have everything with the starter plan, except the worry compliance is going to be there forever. They're going to create your operating agreement for you. They're also going to get you your business ID. And yeah, like I said before, you have access to their fastest filing speed. Now, when it comes to their business documents and the business website builder and everything that comes with that, you're going to have to pay extra. But if you guys want to pay for their premium, which is $349 per year, you guys are going to get all of that included in the plan. So yeah, for most beginners, I highly recommend either the starter plan or the pro plan. Most of you guys aren't going to need the premium plan. And actually, if you guys need a business website, then we have other videos on this channel that will teach you how to get that at a very affordable price. We recommend using a platform like Hostinger, where you guys can get started for less than $3 per month. And we also have a special discount code that you guys can use. So if you guys are interested in starting a business website, go ahead and check out the link down below and use our special discount code. Now, moving on to the next platform, we also have Bizee. This is another popular business formation platform. And for this example, I just went ahead and I put that I'm starting an LLC in California. So if we look at their plans, they also have 3 plans. They have the silver, gold, and platinum. And so with their silver package, it's going to take 28 days for their filing time. And this is going to be $0. So again, it's completely free, except you do have to pay for that state filing fee. And in this package, they're going to prepare and file the articles of organization. They're going to give you a free registered agent service for the first year. They're going to get you your statement of organizer, and they're going to get you unlimited name searches. Now, if you want expedited filing, that is going to cost extra, as well as some of their other compliance basics like getting an EIN, or if you want to do an operating agreement or IRS Form 2553. IRS Form 2553 is basically the form that gets your LLC taxed as an S Corp, and this can actually save you thousands of dollars in taxes every single year if you meet the requirements. But if you guys are interested in learning more about S Corps and how you guys can go through this process, we'll go ahead and leave a link down below to a video on that as well. Now, for their free plan, they also give you a business banking account offer, as well as a free business tax consultation. And then they also have the online access dashboard and then unlimited phone and email support. Now, when it comes to their gold plan, this is going to be $199. This is just a one-time fee compared to ZenBusiness, where you're doing a yearly subscription. And with this, they're going to get you everything with the free plan, except they're also going to get you your EIN. They're going to help you file Form 2553. They're going to get you your operating agreement. You're also going to get your banking resolution. And then if you want a business domain name, business email, as well as business contract templates, you're going to have to pay extra. If you guys want all the features that they have, then they have the platinum plan, and this is going to be $299. Again, this is not a yearly plan. This is just a one-time fee, so this does beat ZenBusiness if you're going to go for the paid plans. Moving on, the next platform is going to be LegalZoom. This one also has 3 plans. They have the basic, the pro, and the premium. With the basic plan, it's going to be $0 plus any state filing fees, and this is going to include all the basics like the articles of organization. They have a name check service to confirm that your preferred business name is available. They also have a digital welcome packet, which includes a step-by-step checklist to follow after your LLC has been formed. And they also give you a customizable website powered by Wix. Now, one thing that I will say about this is that with Wix, they're not going to give you the actual plan. They're going to give you the free version. So this is where you're going to have a subdomain. And in most cases, this is not going to look professional. You're going to have to upgrade your Wix plan. So again, if you guys are looking to start a business website for a very affordable price, I highly recommend checking out Hostinger down below. Now, moving on, they also have the pro plan. This is going to be $249 plus any state filing fees. And in this, they're going to do everything with the basic package, except they're also going to get you your operating agreement. They're going to get you your EIN. You're going to have access to over 150 customizable legal documents and unlimited e-signatures for 1 year. And you're also going to be able to have initial phone consultations with specialists about business insurance and taxes. And then last, they have the premium plan. This is going to be an extra $50. And with this, you're going going to have hands-on guidance from an experienced business attorney. You're going to have unlimited 30-minute attorney consultations about new legal topics related to your business. And if there are any changes that you need to make to your LLC, all the formation documents within the first 30 days are going to be completely free. So with all of these free plans, you aren't going to be able to get an operating agreement or an EIN. And when it comes to ZenBusiness versus other services, there's actually a website that compares the two. So if we take a look right here, this is LegalZoom versus ZenBusiness. And if we look at the total cost, if you're going to go with all the different packages, then LegalZoom is going to be a little bit more expensive at $696, whereas ZenBusiness is $526. Then when it comes to the Pro plan, this is also going to be cheaper for ZenBusiness at $497, but you are going to be paying that $199 per year. And then over at LegalZoom, this is going to be $746. And then if you want that ongoing compliance service, then you're going to have to pay that $199 per year. So this pretty much is the exact same, right? You're going to have to pay $199 per year, whether you want to just pay for the ZenBusiness or the LegalZoom. And then on the premium plan, ZenBusiness is again a little bit cheaper at $548 versus LegalZoom, who is $796. Now, when it comes to Bizee versus the other platforms, I will say that this one is a little bit better because you get a free registered agent service for the first year. And for ZenBusiness and LegalZoom, you're not going to be able to get one for the first year. You do have to pay that out of pocket. But overall, I will say that you really can't go wrong with any service. Most of the starter plans are pretty much the same, but if you are going to go for one of the paid plans, then I do probably recommend Bizee. That's because they're going to give you a free registered agent for the first year. And if you guys are looking for the cheapest total cost to actually starting an LLC with everything that you need, then we actually recommend using a different platform like Northwest Registered Agent. With them, you're going to be able to start an LLC for just $39 plus any state filing fees, but they also give you a free registered agent for the first year. So we'll leave a link down below to that as well if you guys want to check that out. And we have a bunch of other videos on this channel that will go in depth on how you can start an LLC in your specific state using these platforms. So yeah, my final verdict is you really can't go wrong with any platform, but if you're looking for the cheapest ones, I would recommend either Northwest Registered Agent or Bizee. And yeah, that's pretty much it for my review of ZenBusiness LLC and whether or not their free LLC formation service is the best one. I hope you guys got some value out of this video. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos just like this. Here on this channel, we make a lot of videos like this that help you start and grow your own business. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.